This here is the best way to role play and increase your sales skill for sure. Uh, I had tried another apps here. I will not tell the name here that I used it before. I tried this different types of apps to increase my ability to speak in English and to increase my sales skills because I want to train all my scripts that I use with my type of clients. Um, but I haven't, I didn't have the idea. Usually for my day, I use more Cloud. I like to type some things. I like the conversation that I have with Cloud. And I wasn't using more GPT, but one friend showed me this conversation with AI on GPT and told me that it's talking with GPT a long time, having a conversation here. And I realized how can I don't how I can happen something like this that I don't know, you know? I stay like, what? But I start here and came to test, and for me is the best way to increase your sales skill. Let's try here the with the GPT. I will turn on here. I will simulate that I am the wholesaler and she wanna sell for me their property. Will be real fast just to show you how it's incredible the voice that you can change. Let's see. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you just fine. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with today.
So basically, I'm here. I wanna simulate with you that you wanna sell your property to me. I'm a wholesaler. I wanna get your property on 300,000 and you wanna sell this just for 400 and we start to negotiate. That sounds fair for you?
Got it. That sounds like a fun scenario. All right, I'll be the seller and you can be the wholesaler. Let's see how this negotiation goes. Whenever you're ready, just start the conversation.
Okay, so let's start that I'm calling you. Hey Samantha, can you hear me?
Hey there. Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. How's it going? What can I do for you today?
Oh, this is just Carlos with a Live Property Group. Seems like you fill out a form here about your property on 123 Main Street. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct. It's at 123 Main Street, and I'm definitely looking to sell it. What kind of offer do you have in mind?
Oh, looks like you found us on Google. And what was about the site that caused you to look into this a bit further?
Oh, well, I came across some of the details online and it looked like a promising property. I was intrigued by the neighborhood and the potential. So I thought I'd reach out and see if we could work something out.
So you can keep going speak with this all day long. Man, I don't know if it's all along, but I'm a long time ago I started to have these conversations. It's incredible to train your English to have conversation. It's a native, and also look what I did. So some other we have some conversations before. Uh, you know my English level, 0 to 10 from everything, which is my average number.
I'd say you're pretty comfortable with English, probably around a 7 or 8 out of 10. You communicate clearly, so no worries at all.
And what do you think I need to do to improve my English?
You're already doing great. If you want to improve even further, just keep practicing by having conversations, maybe reading a bit more and exposing yourself to different accents and vocabularies. But honestly, you're doing really well.
Awesome, awesome. So, in general, vocabulary and everything, do you think it's 7, 8? And if I study for 1 hour a day, how long do you think would be to be 9, 10?
If you dedicate about an hour a day, you could probably reach a 9 or 10 in a few months to a year, depending on how consistent you are and the resources you use. But with regular practice, you'll definitely see progress pretty quickly.
Can you help me? Let's say this. Can you help me to build a study plan for this?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help with that. We can break it down into different areas like vocabulary, speaking practice, listening, and reading. Just let me know what areas you'd like to focus on the most, and we can craft a plan together.
Look into this. This is crazy. This is crazy to role play to improve your English and like I haven't tested. I don't know another language, but you can try Spanish, French, whatever. It's like you hire a native speaker and have conversations is a really great use, and you can talk about your specific niche. This will improve a lot more your skills, or you can just start to training your sales script and prove yourself, see what you can do to improve. This is the tip of the day. I hope this can help you. Just go take reserve. I think 15 to 20 minutes using this can really help you to improve your buff or English or sales skills, whatever you are planning to do. If you spend 20 minutes here, will be really helpful for your life. Change from Instagram to here, and you can do great things for your life. If you like this video here, please, I'm just a simple guy who was trying, came here on YouTube, uh, share things that I see on my day that help me in some way. Um, Give me a like and subscribe there you help me. Everything that I want to share here is for my days working with sales on real estate, AI, and that things, sales and English. If you want to go deep on this, subscribe and give a like. Have a great day. Have a blessed day.